This video is brought to you by Hawkeye Water Leak Defense Systems. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how the mechanical water block can shut off a running water situation as a result from a stuck valve on an ice maker or a refrigerator. The water block is a 100% mechanical device with 10 different settings, each being 1.3 gallons. For this simulation here, we have set the water block to setting number 1, so it'll shut off at the 1.3 gallon mark. If you think about it, a refrigerator or ice maker during a typical usage cycle is going to use less than a gallon, so setting it at setting number 1 is ideal for this case. In this simulation, you'll see on the clear bucket the water levels start to rise, and about 2 inches from the top you'll see the water shut off. What we're going to do now is turn on the water and watch the water block work. As you can see here, the water block is activated and the water level has stopped rising, proving that it turned off through the device, not through the hose. This water block is a very simple and effective device. Essentially, if you're away for the weekend and the refrigerator valve got stuck open, instead of coming back to a catastrophic flood, you would come back to the amount of water that you see there in the bucket. For more information on the water block, you can visit www.hawkeyewaterdefense.com. There, we offer the product for a 1/4-inch shutoff kit. So the kit is designed for refrigerator and ice maker lines. And for more content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.